Hi everyone, welcome back to the Jodoo Masterclass series. Today, we are diving into the CC feature in workflows. If you perform the CC feature, the system will send updates of workflow status to a member who needs to know. These updates can be sent after the completion of one node or the whole workflow. There are two ways to CC a member. Option 1. Enabling CC at a node. Simply tick the Enable CC option at a particular node. Option 2. Adding a CC node. Insert a dedicated CC node into your workflow. Let's see how to set them up separately and highlight the differences between these two options. First, let's see how to enable CC at a node. For instance, in the Vehicle Application form, we want CC Jodoo Official to know of the updates of the first node. We click this task node. Then go to Node Properties and tick Enable CC. We can choose who you want to CC. Department. All members in the selected department will be CC'd. Roles. All members in the role group selected will be CC'd. Members. The selected members will be CC'd. CC Member Auto-Assign. The workflow initiators and heads of different departments will be CC'd. Here we choose Jodoo Official. When CC is enabled at a task node, it inherits configurations of view and brief from the node. Once you have completed the settings, click Save. Let's see how this works in an actual use case. Let's say Erica initiates a vehicle application. And now we can see the workflow is CC'd to Jodoo Official, the department head of Erica. In CC Me, we can see the fields Applicant, Vehicle Registration Number, and Duration we previously ticked under Brief. Open this workflow, we can see more details of the selected fields under View. Here are some notes. CC notifications are sent when the workflow reaches the specified node. CC notifications cannot be enabled at the start and end nodes. Up to 6 fields can be ticked under Brief. Subform fields cannot be ticked under Brief. When CC is enabled at a task node, both CC'd members and approvers can view the submitted record, but only the latter can edit it. Next, let's see how to configure a CC node. For example, in the workflow page of this vehicle application, we can drag and drop a CC node here and connect it with the task node. Click the CC node and click here to set who will receive CC. The setting procedures are the same as those for CC'd member in the previous section. You can also enable Allow Printing while viewing. You can set fields under View and Brief of a CC node. The details about their meaning and setting rules are much like we previously talked. After finishing all the settings, click Save. Here are 2 notes. Members will be CC'd when the connected task node is reviewed. CC nodes can be connected to any node except the end node. Let's see how it works. Click the workflow form we just set up and submit a record. After the node approver submit approve, we then receive a notification in CC Me. Here we can see the fields we ticked under Brief and open this workflow. We can see more details of the fields we ticked under View. You may wonder, it seems that CC enabled on a node and CC node can both use to notify relevant members to check the updates of a specific workflow. What are the differences between them? Let's make a brief summary. In terms of similarities. 1. Members CC'd in both situations can view data submitted at the previous node. 2. Members CC'd in both situations can only view the data, not interrupting the workflow. The differences of these two types of CC lie in the content of View and Brief and CC time. If you enabled CC at a node, the available fields under View and Brief remain the same. If you add a CC node, you can set View and Brief for it separately. If you enable CC at a node, updates of a workflow will be CC'd to a certain member when data flows to the node. If you add a CC node, updates will be CC'd only when the corresponding node is reviewed by node approver. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you better know the CC feature in a workflow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video clip. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.